Imagine sitting at your desk one day and getting a notification your company's data is being held under ransom. You know ransomware is serious, but you couldn't imagine that just a month later, you and all 299 of your coworkers would be out of a job. This example actually happened just a year ago. The fact is, cyber attacks pose an existential threat to small and medium-sized businesses. If this scares you, and it probably should, you need to have an active cybersecurity program. You don't even need a security expert to get started. Just assemble a team of interested people at the company, start meeting weekly, and implement the 3 universal cybersecurity controls. All businesses need to use multi-factor authentication, practice cybersecurity training, and regularly update all systems. Outdated systems provide an easy vector for ransomware attacks. Need more info? Leave a comment, and we'll start up a conversation on what you can do to improve your business.